So we're gonna do a cold start on the Polaris IQ. As you saw in the last video, I did a cold start on the Dodge, but obviously you can't plug in a screw, so I don't know if she's gonna start. And it's warmed up since I did the video. Oh, I obviously did the video on the Dodge same day I did this one, so I don't know if she'll run. We'll see. Put the key in. Actually, no, I should leave that down first. All right, here we go. Guarantee it won't start. Guarantee it. Oh. Won't even start. Let it sit for a minute and then I'll try. She's stiff because it was about minus 40 this morning, so yeah, we'll try her again in a few. Okay, I should leave it longer, but I don't know, I have a feeling it's gonna go. Okay. Oh, it almost went. There she goes. It'll take a while for that to warm up, to make up for that. Plus the temperature. That's error. I always had trouble with these stupid things. I never figured the damn thing out. I always have to play with it. There we go. Minus 14. That's what it's reading, so I don't know. Give her a minute, she'll have lots of smoke action, but oh, there we go. Getting a little bit there now. My brother's Arctic Cat Crossfire, that's the sled that makes smoke, especially in the cold. Yeah, there you have it. I didn't think she would go, but I had faith in her, so. And I just put a brand new AGM battery in it, so my old battery, no way, Jose, it wouldn't even start. Minus 6, minus 5. The battery was stone cold dead, no juice left in her. Minus 5, she wouldn't even start. But this, really good battery. I strongly recommend AGM for all snowmobiles with fuel injection startup and all that stuff, good stuff. So there you have it. Oh, you could, whoo, geez, you can smell her too. Wow, now here we got the extreme cold smoke action happening right about now. Yeah, good luck having that, put that on there. Ooh-wee, that's a lot. Hey, I'm going inside and warm up. I'm gonna put this video together.